Hey, we're about to flip affiliate marketing on its head, and I want to invite you to be part of this historic movement that's going to revolutionize the way affiliate marketing is done forever. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever tried to make commissions with affiliate marketing? Have you ever tried to promote affiliate products, opportunities, companies, links, that type of stuff, but you've never got the results that you were hoping for? Well, it's about to change once and for all, forever. My friend, I'm hosting a live virtual event where I'm gonna talk about stuff that you have never heard anybody talk about and show you with regards to affiliate marketing. I want to invite you to check this out. Your life will probably change after this. It's free, it doesn't cost you nothing. The link is gonna be right below here around this video somewhere. Click it. There is no opt-in, there is no registration. The live event is happening tonight. Okay, it's May 9th at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I'm gonna talk about the anatomy of a $10,000 per day affiliate business, and that's just the start. Don't miss it. Mark your calendar, click on the link, save it, set your alarms, set your reminders, join us. It's gonna be a live event, there's gonna be a lot of people. We're about to change affiliate marketing forever, and I hope that you're gonna be there to witness it. More importantly, come with us on a journey. See ya.